Did you know that cloves, the tiny aromatic spice, are one of the world's oldest natural remedies? Cloves contain eugenol, an essential oil with analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects. They've long been used to relieve toothaches, support digestion, and strengthen the immune system. Its intense aroma and flavor also helps reduce stress and improve focus. In cooking, cloves add depth to desserts, stews, and warm drinks like punch or mulled wine. Some reasons why we should consume cloves, just to mention a few, are that they have antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory effect, improve digestion, relieve dental pain, strengthen the immune system, regulate blood sugar levels, antibacterial and antifungal properties, improve respiratory health, stimulate blood circulation, increase energy, and reduce stress. Just a small amount transforms any recipe with its sweet, spicy touch. But remember, always consult your doctor before using it for therapeutic purposes.